Hi folks, welcome to Coding Masters. Are you getting difference between ChatGPT, Gemini AI and Claude? Nowadays people are thinking Claude is the best one, definitely. But every model or every LLM, it has its own capability. If you are a beginner, I'll recommend strongly ChatGPT is the best one for you. Because in the beginner level, in the basics level, ChatGPT is always very strong, and structured level also it is very clear for the beginners people. Once you are entering into Gemini, if you are real-time worker and you required answer in the professional way, then use Gemini. Gemini is more understandable to already. If you are a tech guy, it is very clear for you. If you come to Claude, which is a new trend right now in the market from Anthropic, definitely it is excellent for all the people, but Claude also giving very clear information if you are having minimum knowledge on AI. So I can say beginner's purpose, always my voting for the ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and your one subscribe or your one share is matter here. Thank you one and all.